Shout out to all the people that hurt me, had me feeling down and unworthy, and all the dicks from the start and the tricks missing hearts. Thank y'all mentally worked me. And my dad too, you do a lot for me, and I'm glad you do. I can express the love that I have for you, so ignore my immaturity and attitude. Well, what about grandma? You raised me. Damn, I wish I had a trophy to hand y'all. I can't wait till the day that I can stand tall, as I'ma get you that house on the beach, fridge full of food and a smile for your cheeks. Whatever you see, I strive for the prize, so I see within your eyes that you're proud of your seed. We made it through a lot, man. Trust for the ball to the top, damn. But it gave me what I need and I stop, and now I push till I can't top him. You see what it did, believe in the kid, keep dreaming with him. Dreaming, achieving, and dreaming again. Shout to the people that see it in him. And I'm only 18, once again, I love the talent I got. Wait till I'm finally getting my shot, and the whole world gon' know that I'm hot. And I ain't doing this for drop tops. If I know that funny, it's just extra shit, cause I'm talented and I'm blessed the shit I use music for, my messages. And rest in peace, ma, cause I love you, believe that. I speak to you, you don't speak back, but you the chicken that just believe track you. Tapping God saying, see that, that's my son, man. I'm so proud of him, he putting feelings into his sound again, despite the people going out and in. And I visit your grave too. I'm sorry for saying that I hate you, cause I don't. I was just frustrated with the time that I had to wait through. Well, at least I got to see you. At the time I just didn't need you, and your friends tell me they used to talk about me all the time, and I believe it's true. I'm growing up but not growing up. I'm old enough to know what's up. You showing love, I don't show enough. I don't hold enough, but my supporters, you know what? I appreciate y'all so much. Yeah, I really do. Shout out to everybody helping me out, man. Everybody, man. Whether you make beats, whether you're promoting me, man. Whether if you're listening to me right now, man. Shout out, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Cause y'all mean a lot to me. Yeah.